Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. So this is going to be a series of video I'm going to be producing based on demand, right? So there are a lot of people who are new to trading, who are new to crypto, and they don't really understand a lot of things about these exchanges. So I'm going to be doing series of videos on different exchanges, and I'm going to start with Ourbit. Now, the reason I'm starting with Ourbit is because one of the exchanges I use for crypto futures trading, right? So, over the next few videos, I'm going to be touching everything about Ourbit, how you can use Ourbit as a beginner, as an intermediate, or even as a professional. So, I'm going to cover everything about Ourbit for you, but it's going to be series of different videos. I'm going to put them in a playlist. So, if you want to watch the full playlist, just go to my channel on YouTube and watch that particular playlist. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you love this kind of content, please go to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified and you can watch all the videos as I'm dropping them in this particular series. Alright, the first video I'm going to be doing is to just tell you about Ourbit, what it is and everything about it, and what you can do with Ourbit and who Ourbit is actually suitable for. After that, we are going to go to the next video, which will lead us into creating our Ourbit account and all of that, and then on and on and on we'll go into the more detailed and advanced things on Ourbit. So first of all, what is Ourbit? Now Ourbit is a centralized crypto trading exchange. You understand? It's a centralized exchange that you can use to buy and sell crypto. Now, the reason why most people love Ourbit is because Ourbit stands as one of the best exchanges for trading meme coins. You understand? That is because a lot of new meme coins are always in Ourbit as they are listed. Most of the times, these coins get find their way or make their way to Ourbit. Now, that is why Ourbit is actually nice. You understand? And then also there are a lot of things you can do on Ourbit apart from just trading. You can trade on Ourbit like spot trading. You can do futures trading on Ourbit. You can stake on Ourbit. You can also do copy trading on Ourbit. And another thing you can also do is that you can invest your money, like keep your money or save your money on Ourbit, right? So those are the things you can do on Ourbit. Now let me just come to this place. If you come to this place, you see this section right here. Yeah, this section right here. Now if I just toggle to the left like this, if I toggle to the left like this, you're going to see other things right here. And on that place, if I go to this place, you're going to see that place, it says more, right? So this place says more. So you can see more of the other things you can do on Ourbit. Right now, crypto exchanges have also added forex trading. So you're also going to be looking at this in the future, right? So if I click on this more right here, you can see these are all the things you can do with your Ourbit account. So buy and sell crypto, deposit, transfer, favorites, that is for the coins that you've put on your favorite, right? Now let me come down under this section. Under this section, you can see this section says gifts and campaign, right? Now under this section says trade. So this is the section that most of us are actually interested in, which is the trade section. Now under the trade section, you can see all the things that you can do right here. You can see all of them right here. You can see US stock, DEX, you can see which is decentralized what trading. Then you can see Forex, you can see sports, futures. You can also see copy trading and then demo trading. Now this demo trading is advisable or is ideal for those who don't want to start trading with their real money. You understand? So if you want to practice before you start trading with your real money, you can just use the demo trading. Now The next thing again you want to also look at is that for you who is using Ourbit, the most important things you can focus on Ourbit is spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, then staking. You can talk about staking, and then maybe you can talk about the forex trading. You understand? Now that I mentioned about spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading, let me just explain briefly what those are. So spot trading is simple, is the easiest way to trade crypto. Spot trading deals with you buying the crypto at a low price and holding it, hoping for it to go up for you to sell. You understand? So when you buy the crypto in spot, you actually own the asset. For instance, if you buy Bitcoin, here, you actually own the Bitcoin. If you buy let's say for instance Ethereum right here, you can see Ethereum right here. If you buy Ethereum, you buy Solana, you buy BNB right here, you actually own them. That is for spot trading. Now, let's talk about futures trading. Futures trading is different from spot trading because in futures trading is a prediction market. So you are predicting that the market is going to go up. Like you're predicting that the price of the coin is going to go up or it is going to go down. So whichever prediction you do, if the prediction goes against you, you are going to be losing your money. And futures trading deals with margins, it deals with leverage, and we'll also talk about liquidation on futures trading. I'm not going to bore you with all of that in this video. This is just an introduction video. We are going to talk about all of that in a more detailed video. Now, copy trading, which is the next one. If I just come down here and go to more, you can see right here there is copy trading right here. So I've talked about spot trading, I've talked about futures trading. Now let's talk about copy trading. Copy trading is simple, just as it is a mechanism that helps you to look for traders who are performing well on this platform and copy their trade. Now what it means is that you have to fund the account. Then when you copy that person, you're not doing anything. All that happens is that whenever the person takes a trade, your account also takes that same trade. And then whenever the person closes, your account also closes. The person is making money, you're making money. If the person is losing money, you are also losing money. So I'm going to talk about that clearer or in details in a more separate video. Now, who can actually use Ourbit? If you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate, if you're a professional trader, you can use Ourbit because Ourbit is good. The interface and everything looks clean, so you can use it. You can see this is market, this is trade, and then this is futures right here, and this is asset right here, right? So everything right here looks clean and is nice for you to use. So whether you're a beginner, you're a professional trader, you're an intermediate, whoever you are, you can actually use Ourbit for yourself. And then if you don't have an Ourbit account, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so you can use that link to sign up on Ourbit. If you sign up with that link, it's not going to cost you anything, but however, it's my affiliate link. You're just going to be supporting me for creating this video for you for free. This is just an introduction of what we are going to be doing. There are a whole lot of things I'm going to be doing in the course of this Ourbit tutorial. I hope you follow through. If you want to follow through, first subscribe to this channel. Also, like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it. And then turn on your bell icon so that when I drop the next video, you will be notified. And the next video is actually going to be on how to create your Ourbit account. And then after that, the next one, we're going to look at how to do your KYC, get your account set up for business. Alright, that is it for me in this particular video. I will see you in the next video, which is how to create your Ourbit account. Thanks for watching and remain blessed.